Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the HHETOGOL end table, a versatile piece that effortlessly combines style and functionality for your living room or bedroom. This 20-inch square side table, finished in rustic brown, is designed for easy assembly with no tools required, making it a perfect fit for anyone looking to enhance their home decor without the hassle. Crafted with a stable frame, this table offers a two-tier storage solution, providing ample space for your drinks, books, or even as a stand for your indoor plants. Its dimensions of 19.7 inches in depth and width, and 21.7 inches in height, make it an ideal choice for larger areas, whether used as an end table or a nightstand. The table features 4 adjustable feet, ensuring stability on uneven floors while protecting your surfaces from scratches. With a quick 5-step installation process, you can have this stylish table set up in just 5 minutes, and it even comes with an extra long 18-month warranty for your peace of mind. If you have any questions or need assistance, HHETOGOL's customer service is just an email away, ensuring you have a seamless experience from start to finish. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.